Well, hello everyone. Welcome to my presentation. Uh, my teaching unit is for third grade science, and the standards used are the New York State Next Generation Learning Standards for Science. And the focus of this unit will be on inheritance and variation of traits, life cycle, uh, and traits. And as I said before, this is going to be for a third grade class. So this first tab that I have open is where I actually did the design in Google Form. I used Google Form. I found it to be very user friendly and easy, and I really enjoy designing the questions here. I was able to play around with it, like different section to add things. I would actually click at this little plus sign here to add text. I would go here. If I needed to add image, I would, click here. So this is actually the form, the user interface when I'm creating the form. And then on the other tab, this is what the actual form looks like. This is what the students would see if they receive the link to complete the quiz. They would be able to add their email addresses, and they would be able to choose the correct answers, and I would be able to see or to check rather whether or not the answers were correct. And then at the end, they could click on submit after they've answered all 5 questions. I found this form and using this form to create this quiz to be very, as I said before, very user friendly, fairly easy to do. I have never created anything in Google Forms before, so this was a first for me. I've used Google Forms mostly in this class, and so this was an awesome experience learning how to do it on my own. And I think I'm forever hooked to using Google Forms. Thank you for watching my presentation. Have a good evening.